In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the extensions toolbar menu in Google Chrome in a really simple way. This is helpful if you want to keep your browser clean, pin your favorite extensions for quick access, or hide extensions from the toolbar without uninstalling them. And if you want to fully turn an extension off, I'll show you that too. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You should see the extensions menu icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. This is the toolbar menu that gives you access to all of your installed extensions. Now click the puzzle piece icon. A small menu will open and show the extensions that are installed in Chrome. If you want to show an extension on your toolbar so it is always easy to access, find the extension you want in this list. Next to it, you'll see a pin icon. Click that pin icon and Chrome will place that extension directly on the toolbar. Once it is pinned, you can use it much faster without opening the extensions menu every time. If you ever want to remove an extension from the toolbar but keep it installed in Chrome, the process is just as easy. Click the puzzle piece icon again, find the pinned extension, and click the pin icon one more time. That will unpin it from the toolbar. The extension will no longer appear at the top of Chrome, but it will still stay installed and available inside the extensions menu whenever you need it. Now, if you want to disable an extension completely, that takes one extra step. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From there, hover over or click Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. This will open the Extensions management page where you can control all of your installed add-ons. On the Manage Extensions page, find the extension you want to disable. Each extension will have a toggle switch. To turn the extension off, simply click the switch so it moves to the off position. Once you do that, the extension will be disabled completely and will stop running in Chrome until you turn it back on again. So to quickly recap, if you want to show an extension on the toolbar, pin it from the puzzle piece menu. If you want to hide it from the toolbar but keep it installed, unpin it. And if you want to disable it entirely, open Manage Extensions and switch it off. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Chrome tips, browser tricks, and simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.